根据指令自动生成影片或瞬间掌握庞大资料库，精准回答问题。AI 威力强大，近年不断发展，成为最夯科技话题。但最新有研究警告，再这样下去，人类担心饭碗不保前，恐怕就会先全面灭绝。
My robots don't kill people.
That thing threw somebody out of a window. Is that registering with you?
AI could manipulate or possibly figure out a way to kill humans?
美国国务院最近委托民间公司进行 AI 研究，报告警告，快速发展的 AI 技术恐怕导致人类灭绝。联邦政府必须尽快采取行动，因为避免世纪灾难的时间已经所剩不多。
If it gets to be much smarter than us, it'll be very good at manipulation because it will have learned that from us. There are very few examples of a more intelligent thing being controlled by a less intelligent thing.
该研究1年多来采访200多人，包括 OpenAI、Google DeepMind、脸书母公司 Meta 等 AI 相关公司高层，指出 AI 风险是可以武器化，造成不可逆转的破坏。另外 ，AI 实验室内部存在隐忧，可能在某个时候失去对开发中系统的控制，对全球安全造成毁灭性后果。
I don't have a solution at present. I just want people to be aware that this is a really serious problem. I don't think we can stop the progress because if people in America stop, people in China wouldn't.
研究也指出，竞争压力促使企业牺牲安全，加速 AI 开发，导致最先进的 AI 系统可能遭窃取和武器化，用来对付美国的可能性升高。
And he was clear from the beginning that we have to make sure that we manage AI's risks.
报告出炉后引起关注，白宫发言人则强调，政府将推动立法来管理这些新兴技术相关风险，要大家别太担心 AI 末日降临。三新闻由何俊报道。